जय भीम, नमो बुद्धाय। सभी देश विदेश में बैठे मेरे भाइयों बहनों को जय भीम, नमो बुद्धाय। एंड आज बहुत ही ज्यादा हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है ये वाला। तो आज 14 अप्रैल बाबा साहब का हम जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं। और देखो, इतना एक कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हम एक अलग तरीके से आज बाबा साहब का जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं। बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि देखो आज भी बाबा साहब को मानने वाले सभी जितने भी बाबा साहब के सच्चे सिपाही हैं, सभी किसी ना किसी तरीके से फिर भी अंदर बैठकर भी हम उनका जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं। इसको देखकर बहुत खुशी होती है, क्योंकि हमें कानून के अंदर रहकर सारा कुछ करना चाहिए। स्पेशली इंडिया में सभी लोग बहुत चाहते हैं बाहर निकलकर बाबा साहब का जन्मदिन मनाने के लिए, पर फिर भी हमें मजबूरियां हैं। हमने कानून को हाथ में नहीं लेना, तो सभी हमें फॉलो करना चाहिए रूल्स को। और आज के दिन हम उस बाबा साहेब युग पुरुष का जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं कि जो मैं पहले 2 लाइनें बोलकर कहना चाहती हूँ कि बाबा साहेब मुताबिक शब्द नहीं, अब की अर्ज करा की बोला मैं। ओ जुग पुरुष बारे कुछ लिखण लगा, कदे संभल जावा कदे डोला मैं। ओ मेरे अखर किर किर जांदे ने, ओ मेरे अखर किर किर जांदे ने। ओ मेरे अखर किर किर जांदे ने, जद मन दी कापी खोला मैं। ओ सब लीडर बने जाप रहे, ओ सब लीडर बने जाप रहे, ओ केनू भीम दे पलड़े तोला मैं। ओ बाबा साहेब दे दावेदार बड़े हो, ओ बाबा साहेब दे दावेदार बड़े, ओ बाबा साहेब नू किथों टोला मैं, ओ बाबा साहेब नू किथों टोला मैं। सो इस कविता का मतलब तो ये सी कि बाबा साहेब जुग पुरुष जिहा ना कोई आया ते ना कोई आना। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਮਨਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਆਪ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ ਵਿਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ 'ਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਅੰਬੇਡਕਰਾਈਟਸ ਪੀਪਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ, ਮੈਂ ਚਾਂਚਲ ਮਾਲ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਤੋਂ इंटरनेशनल सॉरी मेरा थोड़ा अंबेडकराइट इंटरनेशनल कोऑर्डिनेशन सोसाइटी वालों मैं सारे ही देश विदेश में बैठे सारे अंबेडकराइट नु बहुत बहुत मुबारक दिन्नी आ। सो आई होप आप लोग पंजाबी भी समझते होंगे थोड़ा बहुत, तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा पंजाबी में बोल दिया। सो बाबा साहब हम आज हैं तो बाबा साहब की वजह से हैं। We are because he was। हम अलग तरीके से एक बात करना चाहते हैं कि हमने सभी ने बोला कि भाई साहब वो गाना भी गा के गए कि अंबेडकर जैसे पैदा, जो अंबेडकर पैदा हो भीम जैसा पैदा हो। भीम जैसे बनने के लिए बहुत कुछ खोना पड़ेगा, बहुत कुछ जो हमने पाया ही है भीम से आज तक। वो हम भीम जी के बारे में बातें बहुत की है, तो अभी हमने उनका कोई कर्ज नहीं उतारा मेरे हिसाब से। अगर आपको कुछ लगता है कि हमने उसका कर्ज उतार दिया तो हमें जरूर बताना कि कहाँ पर, क्यों हमें कुछ ना कुछ तो सोचना पड़ेगा कि देखो आज हमारा संविधान खत्म हो रहा है, वो क्यों हो रहा है? इंडिया में इतने पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, स्पेशली महाराष्ट्र भाइयों बहनों से जरूर कहना चाहती हूँ कि आपके पास तो एक एजुकेशन भी है, आपने बाबा साहब का धर्म भी अपनाया, और फिर भी आज हमें कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा। पंजाब में भी लोग पढ़ लिख गए हैं, बाबा साहब की बदौलत बहुत एजुकेशन लिया, सारा कुछ किया, पर आज कहीं ना कहीं कमी कहाँ कहीं तो कमी है ना हमारे बीच। सो जो ऐसे जो कमी है वो कहाँ है और कैसे दूर करनी है, ये आप लोगों को सोचना पड़ेगा जरूर। हम लोगों को जरूरी सोचना पड़ेगा कि हमारे में कमी कहाँ है। कमी जहां पर है कि हम जो मैंने देखा, क्योंकि मैं साल में 3-4 बार चक्कर लगाती हूँ, बहुत भाइयों से मिलते हैं, नागपुर में भी गए, सभी जगह जाते हैं, सभी बहुत अम्बेडकर भाई बहनों से मिलने का मौका पड़ता है, अम्बेडकर जो लोग हैं। पर कमी हमारे में ये है कि हमारे में एक अंदर ईगो है, क्योंकि हम सभी के सभी लीडर बनना चाहते हैं और काम नहीं करना चाहते। अगर देखो सच कड़वा होता है, मुझे भी पता है, जो ये सच्चाई है। अगर कोई एक ऊपर जाता है तो दूसरा उसके पीछे टांग खींचता है, तो क्योंकि वो कहता कि मैं इससे बड़ा लीडर हूँ, ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है। बहुत बार देखा, मैं बहुत जाती हूँ ग्राउंड पे, उनके साथ घूमने का भी टाइम मिला, काम भी करते हैं हम लोग कितना कर सकते हैं। अगर आपका साथ सभी का मिल जाए, देखो बाबा साहब भी अकेले थे, बाबा साहब ने कैसे काफिले इकट्ठे किए, बाबा साहब ने कैसे कोई उस टाइम कुछ भी नहीं था, मीडिया नहीं था, उन्होंने मीडिया भी क्रिएट किया। तो हम लोग तो एक मीडिया भी क्रिएट नहीं कर सके। देखो कुछ भी नहीं अभी तक हमने कहा कुछ भी नहीं अभी तक किया, सब एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ाई, दूसरे लोग तो हमारे साथ लड़ाई करते हैं, हमें समझ आता है, पर हमारे लोग क्यों अपने आप में लड़ाई कर रहे हैं? हमारे लोग इकट्ठे होकर क्यों नहीं चलना चाहते? हमारे लोगों को एक मुट्ठी में एक मुट्ठी बंद करके, जैसे एक मुट्ठी में ताकत होती है, अगर ऐसे हमारी ताकत बन जाए तो हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। हम बहुत बाबा साहब को, अगर हमारा जन्मदिन मनाने का यही है कि हम उनके जो भी उन्होंने हमें हमारे को अधिकार दिए, हमने यूज तो किए वो अधिकार, सारा कुछ किया, हमने पढ़ भी लिया, सारा कुछ किया, और उनका मूल मंत्र था पढ़ो, जुड़ो, संघर्ष करो। हमने पढ़ाई तो कर ली, हम जुड़े भी नहीं, और हम संघर्ष भी नहीं करना चाहते। संघर्ष करते हैं, अगर संघर्ष बाबा साहब की तरह करते तो आज जरूर इंडिया में हमारा राज होता, आज जरूर इंडिया में हमारा संविधान खतरे में नहीं होता। आज अगर संविधान खतरे में है तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारी नालायकी के कारण ही है। हमारे में इतनी ताकत नहीं है कि हम अपना जो बाबा साहब ने हमें वोट का हक दिया उसका गलत इस्तेमाल हो रहा है। अगर उसका सही इस्तेमाल होना शुरू हो गया तो वो दिन दूर नहीं है। सच जरूर कड़वा है, मैं सॉरी कहती हूँ कि हमें मिलकर, अपनी ईगो को छोड़कर सभी एक साथ मिले। जैसे आप देखो आज एक बाबा साहब का बर्थडे मनाने का हमने कोई ना कोई तरीका ढूंढ लिया, ऐसे ही हम वो भी कुछ ना कुछ करके, अगर एक दूसरे की लीडरशिप के नीचे नहीं काम करना चाहते, ऐसा मत सोचो, वो भी हमारे भाई बहन है, सभी को एक होकर कोई ना कोई इसका हल निकालना पड़ेगा। नहीं तो हम जो इंडिया में देखते हैं जाकर, हमें बहुत कमियां लगती हैं, और हम सब बाबा साहब के मिशन को आगे नहीं लेके जा रहे, हम बाबा साहब के मिशन को पीछे लेके जा रहे हैं। तो आज के दिन मुझे पता है कि और भी बहुत स्पीकर्स होंगे, तो मैं बहुत टाइम नहीं लूंगी आपका। तो आज हम राजू कामले भाई साहब को बहुत ज्यादा याद करते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा याद करते हैं कि उनके जैसे अगर सभी अम्बेडकराइट्स हो जाएं तो कोई वो दिन दूर नहीं कि हम अपना इंडिया में अपना राज लेके आ सके। हमारे हमारे एमएलएज होंगे, हमारे एमपीज होंगे, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर होंगे। सो इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि सभी लोग, हमारी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमें आज बहुत जरूरत है सभी को इकट्ठा होने की। सभी एक मुट्ठी में इकट्ठे होके हमें मिशन को आगे लेके जाना चाहिए, ना कि हमें एक दूसरे को क्रिटिसाइज करके पीछे नहीं लेके जाना चाहिए। सो मेरी इतनी ही रिक्वेस्ट है। और राजू कामले भाई साहब को फिर से हम बहुत याद करते हैं। जितनी देर हम जिंदा हैं वो हमारे दिल में है। उन्होंने बहुत मिशन का काम किया और उन्होंने, उनकी फैमिली आज देखो स्ट्रगल कर रही है, और इसीलिए कर रही है क्योंकि जैसे बाबा साहब ने सारा कुछ त्याग करके अपना हम लोगों को अपने हमें हक लेके दिए, और बाबा साहब के परिवार के लिए कुछ नहीं बचा था दुखों के सिवाय। सो इसलिए आज बाबा साहब को हम याद करते हैं। अगर तो हमने ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा भी त्याग करना शुरू कर दे, थोड़ा थोड़ा एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर शुरू कर दे, तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता है। सो बाकी आप सभी समझदार हो। मैं कुछ ज्यादा बोला हो तो मुझे माफ करना, पर एक जे कड़वा सच है कि हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर इकट्ठे होना ही पड़ेगा। सभी पार्टियां, सभी सारा कुछ छोड़ एक पार्टी के नीचे आना पड़ेगा। तो जो भी हमें क्योंकि अकेले अकेले हम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, कोई भी नहीं कर सकता। चाहे घर में भी देख लो, हम एक अकेला घर चलाना चाहे तो इतना परिवार बड़ा हो तो हम अकेले नहीं चला सकते। ऐसे ही वो सरकारें देखो, उनके पास वोट्स है, उनके पास पैसा है, सारा कुछ है। ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं है, आज पैसा भी है, आज एजुकेशन भी है। आप बट एक ही कमी है कि हम लोग इकट्ठा नहीं होने चाहते। सो इतना ही मैं कहती हूँ। आज सभी देश विदेश में बैठे मेरे सभी भाइयों बहनों साथियों को जय भीम, नमो बुद्धाय, और एक और बार बाबा साहब के जन्म दिवस पर आप सभी को बहुत बहुत मुबारक। थैंक यू वेरी मच टाइम देने के लिए।
Thank you, Chanchal ji. Thanks for sharing your thoughts, and it was inspirational. So, moving on. So, one more try. I will go to Mrs. Maya Hiwale, if you are there. If you can unmute. Okay. I think we are coming to.
Video?
Yeah.
Can you play that video of the boy right from Australia?
Sure. So, Shirish.
Yes.
My name is Vansh Punikar, and Dr. Ambedkar is my inspiration because he gave an equal opportunity to educate, agitate, and organize. He wrote the Constitution of India that has made all Indians live their lives equally. A salute to the great visionary of India. Thank you, and Jai Bhim.
Thank you. So there is one more message from Dr. Milind Chincholkar, and he has put in the IM for everyone. So based on his message, he's saying that I have translated Mahatma Phule's book, Slavery, from Marathi to English, and annotation translation of Slavery from Marathi to English. I have posted my book on our group on Mahatma Phule's anniversary. So the link of that book should be there in the chat. So I would like to request everyone to take that link and download the copy for yourself so that you can have an English version of the book Slavery. So with that, one more thing which I would like to do is I would like to open this forum before I hand it over to Jagdish ji, so he can take over. Basically, we are opening the forum so that everyone can wish each other, but because we have to do in a controlled way, considering there are 100 plus people, so if you can raise the hand in the chat so that the host knows that you would like to speak and wish each other on this platform, so that we will go by that order. So because otherwise, if we open everything, it would be big chaos. So we want to do it in a controlled way. And then Jagdish Bankar would be the one who would be taking it forward. So with that, handing over to Jagdish Bankar. Jagdish, you there?
Yeah. Okay. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Thank you, Kamlesh, for doing a wonderful hosting right from the beginning, even though we had the technical difficulties, but we all continued together and also with the support of all the participants. So I would like to thank all the participants as well as all our speakers to keep the little bit patience and then stay to make this program a successful program. I know that, on this occasion, just I wanted to say the Baba Sahib quote, I think it is unmuted me. Okay, yeah. I would like to reiterate the Baba Sahib's quote. I'm Indian first and Indian last. I want all people to be Indian first, Indian last, and nothing else but the Indians. I think if everyone understand the depth of this particular quote, which is given by Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, who is a Masiha in our life, right? Whatever the breath that we take today, it is all because of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. So I think if everyone take the essence of this particular quote, I think we all will be successful in our life. Not only that you yourself will be successful, but also our entire community will be successful if you take this quote and think deeply that we are like, because whatever the Baba Sahib Ambedkar says, that from the childhood, whatever the sufferings that he did it, and with all these sufferings he was able to give to the society in spite of having a lot of pains to us. So I think if you all understand the pain that Baba Sahib has taken for us, I think we should take it forward and keep our momentum live, and definitely one other day we will be successful. And whatever the Baba Sahib has given the Dhamma to us, I think that Dhamma will take not only us but the entire world towards the peaceful and the liberty that everyone wants as a human being. So having said this, before I open a forum again, I would like to say that this particular event, we have been doing it for the last 4 or 5 years, and this is in coordination. This is being happening in coordination with ANA group, with the AIM, AIC, BHG group, even the Canada AIM group. Here Houston, we have the AIM group. So with all this coordination, this program is being taken every year, and with all your supports, right? I think it has been a great successful. This year, little bit technical difficulty was there, but in spite of that, I think we came across, and then eventually we could go beyond 100 participants, and whoever were not able to join. So I apologize for that, but I think somehow we were able to manage it. So with this, as Kamlesh said, that everyone will get a chance, right? Whoever is on this call, everyone will get a chance to wish to all our brothers on this particular auspicious occasion, which is it is like one of the auspicious occasion in our life, right? If we consider that way as a true Ambedkarite or true Buddhist. So you all will get the chance to wish each and everybody. So having said this, so Shirish, I think you can call out, or basically we can. I don't know, right? I don't have that visibility, right? Whoever is raising that hand, and then will. So please raise your hand so that our moderator, he will unmute you, and then you can, or you yourself can unmute. Am I right, Kamlesh or Shirish?
Yeah, so if you can rather raise your hand, you can right click on your name and raise the hand, and I'll unmute one by one.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. If everybody can raise the
Oh,
hand, and
Shirish, I'm
I'll
not able
unmute
to
one
hear
down.
you. Hello. Yeah, I think I would go with this Sanjay sir, Sanjay Bhagat from Boston.
Hello, JVM everybody, and first of all, I should
Sanjay Bhagat
thank.
from Boston.
Am I audible?
We are not able to
Yes.
hear you.
Yes, I think Mama, can you put headphone or something?
Shirish, I think you have not unmuted him.
No, I'm able to speak. Can anybody hear?
Shirish,
Kaka, I think you are not able to hear. Can you put headphone or something?
I think you forgot to put headset. Mama,
Shirish, we are not able to hear you.
can someone call Mama? No call.
I think we have to convey him.
Yeah, I'm calling him.
He can at least see us, correct?
Yes, he can see us. हॅलो
Hello.
हा मामा तुम्ही हेडसेट लावा बहुतेक तुम्हाला म्हणजे बाकी सगळ्यांना आवाज येतोय तुम्हाला नाही मे बी हेडसेट आहे का ते
हाँ बनकर साहब.
हॅलो
Hello, बनकर साहब.
Bhagat sir, we are able to hear you.
Yeah, I think he's still not able to hear me. Okay. Bankar Sahib, can you hear me? I think he's okay.
Yeah,
So,
go ahead, Mr. Bhagat.
yeah, I think anyhow I will go ahead. So first of all, I would like to thank.
मामांना फोन कर त्यांना म्हणा तुमच्या याच्यामध्ये प्रॉब्लेम आहे बाकी सगळेजण ऐकू शकतात नाही कोणाचा तरी कॉल आला वाटतं
Bhagat
I
sir, go
think so.
ahead.
Yeah. So first of all, I should thank Abad team for doing this fabulous job of the cyber celebration. They are doing since last 6 years. But with coronavirus this year, all the organizations in USA, AIM, ANA, Boston Study Group, AIC, they have to cancel their celebrations. And every year we have the part of this celebration, but this year it is big. And glad that this worked out well, even if we had the initial problem. But it went very well. Thanks the team for doing this job very meticulously. So with that, I wish everybody who has attended this session happy and joyous Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti celebrations. And everybody please stay safe and stay healthy. Jai Bhim and Namo Buddhaya.
Thank you. Mr. Vivek and Kanti Chavan.
Jai Hind, everyone. I like to wish you all happy 14th April. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Vivek, and I'm from Michigan. Thanks, Abad team, for hosting this event almost, or it's been last 5-6 years. And such a wonderful event that we have witnessed today. As Bhagat sir said, due to coronavirus, we were unable to conduct this program in our locality. But this is such a wonderful international event that we have witnessed, and such a wonderful speeches and speakers, songs. With that, I would like to wish all and everyone happy and healthy Ambedkar Jayanti. Thank you.
Thank you. Arandan Anagat Mishram.
Yeah, Jai Bhim, everybody. This is Pankaj Meshram, and I wanted to thank ABAT team for doing a very fabulous job with this cyber celebration, like every year. And I wanted to wish one 93rd Mahatma Phule Jayanti and 129th Dr. Ambedkar Jayanti to everybody. Happy Jayanti and happy, joyous and healthy New Year to you guys. Thank you very much. Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya.
Thank you. Sandeep L.
Thank you. This is Sandeep Loi. I'm from Chicago. Originally, I'm from Ludhiana, but now I'm in Chicago. So I want to take a moment to thank everybody, the ABAT team, AIM, AIC, and ANA board for organizing this wonderful cyber celebration. Now, we have heard the speakers from Madam Kamlesh Shahir ji to Chanchal Mal ji, and of course, Laurie Rambali sahab and everybody else. What fellow Ambedkarites want to talk about is that in addition to what we're doing, we need to speed this up. We need to double down on our efforts to celebrate Baba Saheb Jayanti, to celebrate his message of equality, his struggle, and his teachings. In addition to that, as Chanchal Malji said, we need to think about a strategy in the long term, right? We have to find a way to move ahead where today the attacks on Constitution, attacks on our equality are getting stronger day by day, right? The enemy is organized. The enemy is very disciplined. The enemy is very focused. We need to be focused, disciplined, and not scattered. We must not stop at just celebrations and just reading books and WhatsApp messages and forwards. We need to have a concrete strategy and discipline to get to the point where we want to get to, because otherwise the enemy in front of us is very laser focused and they are doing everything they can to push us back. So let us also think about the future, the long-term strategy, the action that we all need to take. Otherwise, in Punjabi we say, nahi ta assi bahut piche pੈ jana, enna piche pੈ jana ki assi agge ਉੱਠ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਾਂਗੇ. So for that, we need to strategize. So I implore all of you to please think about that. And once again, congratulations to all of you. Jai Bhim. Thank you.
Thank you. Reena and Nishikant.
Jai Bhim everyone. I'm very happy Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti to all. And it was nice to see you all, my US friend. We are now in India. And yeah, happy Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti.
Thank you, Abad and Jagdish ji again, for consistently arranging this event and connecting the global Ambedkarites. And we are very happy to be part of it. And I believe, I think every day and, every year we are uniting, we are working towards our society, our downtrodden people. And we have seen, many instances, including the recent COVID support, where multiple organizations have come forward. Okay, so I think like we are, contributing and we are uplifting our downtrodden brothers and sisters. I think there is, like our Sandeep Loi Bhai said, I think the real tribute to Baba Saheb, who has secured our rights and who has given a new life to us, because of whom we are here. So similarly, like we have our responsibility and duty to our fellow brethren, and we need to unite, and we have to work on various fields, including, say, atrocities, how we can take care of the atrocities, and how we can empower our brothers and sisters, especially the needy brothers and sisters. So I believe we have multiple organizations coming up, and every year we are seeing the good trend coming up, and people are connecting more and helping out and reaching out. So I think we have to keep up that momentum and probably strategize in a long-term perspective. So once again, I mean, it's really good to be connected with the global Ambedkarites all over the world, and thanks for arranging the event. And we all wish you a very happy Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti and Mahatma Jyotiba Phule.
Thank you. Next is Pooja Dende.
Hello, yeah, Jai Bhim, everyone. I'm Pooja Dhinde. I'm currently a student in Melbourne, Australia. It is a great pleasure, actually. I would really thank Abad for organizing this Jayanti with high spirits. It was really great to listen to everyone and, connect at this moment. I consider myself fortunate enough to be able to attend this first ever completely online B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti away from my hometown. It's indeed a pleasure to be a part of such a wonderful community of intellectuals worldwide. Guys, let's just connect together and with the same spirit as Sandeep Louis said, rightly strategize, unite, and take the legacy of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ahead. So stay home, be safe, and let's break the chain and create a difference. Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya, everyone.
Thank you. Next up is Vikrant Vakode.
Hi, Jai Bhim to everyone. I'm guessing you can all hear me. Is that right?
Yes, we can hear you.
Awesome. Hi, Jai Bhim to everyone. It was an awesome conduct online. Obviously, in these hard days, it's really wonderful to see all of us connected worldwide. Sorry, I forgot to mention. I'm calling on behalf of Indian Association of Minorities in New Zealand. I have Jagdish ji, it's always a pleasure, and he's always touch base me with every updates going on, and he also guides me in regards to how do we run the associations. So we're a very small little organization in New Zealand. We're 2 years younger, so compared to I would in future like to have your advices or जो भी अगर कोई suggestions दे सके how to go on and strategize and do a moment much stronger. बस यही कहना चाहता हूँ और सबको अंबेडकर जयंती की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Thank you and Jai Bhim.
Thank you, Vikrant. Next one is Babasaheb Danve.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you now.
Hi, I'm Babasaheb Danve speaking from Maharashtra. First of all, Jai Bhim to all of you, and thanks to the organizer who has organized this very nice event as a digital event. Only thing I wanted to share with all of you guys, I see that people from our society, they are spread entire globe. They are sitting entire worldwide. Things for our society going in India that are not good up to conditions. There are so many people who are still below poverty. अत्याचार बहुत होते हैं. So I wanted to raise a request. One of the persons from Maharashtra, which belongs to Dr. Ambedkar's family, Rajnath Ambedkar, is trying to raise the support from across the globe for the Indian Buddhist guys. And my request to all of you guys who are sitting across the globe, try to raise the support from globe for Indian Buddhist guys, so that we can raise our voice to the worldwide. Things going in India will be pressurized from the globe and will be in situation where we can get justice. Whatever things we wanted to be in a place, we can keep it in that place by raising support from the globe. So request to all of you sitting people and across the globe, try to raise the support from globe for Indian guys, for our community, so that we can have people growing here, improving here. And I also heard that Indian Constitution, they're removing now. They have a separate constitution for India, like the old Manusmriti. So in order to avoid that, in order to make people strong, I personally thought that we should get support from the globe. Then only we will be able in a place. As a minority in India, as a minority people in India, we are less to fight again. Yes, that's right. Our father was only one who fought against all that thing, but we are not that up to that level. So in order to get that level, we should be united across the globe. That's why I wanted to raise the request to all of you. Thanks for giving me a chance to speak here. All of you, Jai Bhim, thank you. And happy Jayanti to everyone.
Thank you. We have one last person who wants to speak. Galaxy S10, you are unmuted. Can you introduce your name and go ahead with wishing everyone?
Yeah, hi, Jai Bhim. This is Bhaiya Sondawle from Toronto, Canada. Yeah, my name is Galaxy 10 because I have now joined from my cell phone. So this is a wonderful event and joining everybody across the globe, hearing those kind of messages. And I think basically this is a moment now. Jagdish mentioned this is the 4th year, but this is a very special year where everybody in this kind of COVID-19 and Corona pandemic situation, we have to now coordinate in a better way. And the last speaker mentioned about that atrocities in India. I think one thing, there are two things. If you go as a Dalit platform, Dalit is still considered as a part of Hindu Dhamma. So if you want to raise your voice globally, we have to go as a Buddhist platform, like how other religions, they have their global platform. But if in India, if we are calling ourselves as a Dalit, we are not uniting with the worldwide. Because in Toronto, what we see, the Buddha Dhamma, I am proud to say the Buddhist here in Canada, and I can go anywhere and I declare I am a proud Buddhist. So same thing, if we can unite Indian Buddhists with the global Buddhists, and then there we can raise our strength, we can raise our voice globally and pressurize the government of India. Modi, when he goes out, he doesn't talk about anything. He just speak about Buddha. He speak about the strength of his nation as a Buddhist nation. But that is for the talk outside of the India. When he goes back, he has his own agenda. And that's why we have to tell those kind of Asian countries, Buddhist countries, he has a double language, he has a double tone. And that's why we have to, whatever atrocity is happening, even though they're Buddhists, we say that happened to Dalit. So we have to change that tone and we have to come out as a Buddhist. So that is the message I think that we have to take it from here. Unity is the need of the hour, and supporting back to our people. So that is the work we have to do going forward. Thank you very much. This is a wonderful event, and it was nice talking and seeing you all. Have a wonderful Baba Saheb Jayanti. Thank you.
Thank you. Is there anyone who would like to speak and wish everyone? Go ahead, Manoj.
Jai Bhim, everyone. This is Manoj Tambarkar from San Antonio, Texas. I also have my wife.
Hi, Jai Bhim all. This is Sunita Shambarkar from Texas, and wish you all a happy Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti to all.
Thank you.
Saurabh Gaikwad.
Yes, yeah. Thank you for letting me speak. And I want to thank to all the organizations who organize such kind of meeting, because this is the first time I think this happening, and it will set an example how we can do it, what are the problems, and how we can definitely improve. And thank you for that. And that was a good point. And there is one more point that I want to raise. You can decide it's a good or bad, but I think many people think we need one platform. I think small for this to speak about this, but I still really wanted to know when that day will come, when we'll get one platform, when we'll get united. I really wanted to work everyone, all the seniors people, they're in the group, or all the different, they are in the different groups who works toward the Ambedkar missions. Hopefully I will get that answer, because we are not that much, I don't think so I have the capability to decide who is wrong and who is right. I think we will follow the people's, our seniors. So we wanted to hear from you, which party. Definitely, I think the most people are talking about, okay, our Samvidhan is, constitution is in danger and all that. I really like to know from the senior people, to, I don't know, whom should we follow? Should we follow BSP? I think there are a few more small parties coming up. So please, I think we should find an answer, give it as an Indian. I wanted to vote for a single party rather than, I don't want the people to vote for a different parties. I think I really wanted to know as soon as possible in future. Yeah, that's it. And happy Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti and Mahatma Phule Jayanti to all of you. And I'm from Nagpur, Indore, but right now I'm in LA. Thank you.
Thank you. Next up, Mahesh Vasnik.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Again, guys, happy 193rd Mahatma Phule Jayanti and 129th Dr. Ambedkar Jayanti. As we heard the voices from a lot of people that there is this mission. We have to take this mission forward. And guys, this is the online celebration, but there are a lot of celebration going on across the world. Please do join their celebration also. Also, there is a online Vihara every Sunday is going on. So that's kind of our celebration also. We are sharing a lot of ideas. There is an online Dhamma session. There are a lot of online sessions are going on across the world. So please do join, because this is our mission. This is our mission to take it forward to the next level. We cannot wait for the other people. So guys, on that note, happy Ambedkar Jayanti, and let's take it forward from here. Thank you.
Thank you. Next up, Trupti.
That I already went. So I think I'm good. Thank you. Happy Ambedkar Jayanti to all of you.
Thank you. Mr. Jagdish Bankar, are you able to hear and talk now?
Yeah, this is Jagdish Badkar from Dallas, Texas. Just I wanted to wish all over the people across the globe 129th birth anniversary of our Masiha, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Because of him, now today we are here, and we are able to take the breath in the society and in the globe. So once again, I wanted to wish everybody the 129th birth anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, as well Mahatma Jyotiba Phule's birth anniversary too. I think, yeah, Shirish, I think that's it from me. And
yeah, before we close, Kaka, this is Kamlesh. Again, I would like to thank our medical practitioner like doctors and nurses from our community who are on the front line for this corona pandemic. So thank you again for your service and your thankless job, and thanks again. And stay safe, everyone. So with that, I think I would like to conclude this program, and we will be online again next year for the next cyber celebration, which would be the 130th year for Baba Saheb Jayanti. Thanks everyone again, and Jai Bhim.